Step inside a world where everything has its place, where homes breathe quietly, where chaos doesn't stand a chance. The Amish don't just clean, they live differently. Their secrets aren't loud. They're simple, powerful, timeless. In a world drowning in clutter and noise, their way feels like a breath of fresh air. Today, we uncover 10 Amish secrets to keep your home organized, simple, and beautifully peaceful. Stay close, because what you're about to hear might just change the way you live. 1. The Amish way of simplicity. There's a quiet kind of magic inside an Amish home. You feel it the moment you step through the door. No clutter screaming for attention. No random piles of things stuffed in corners. Just calm, real calm. Their belief is simple. Keep only what matters. They don't chase shiny trends or fill their shelves with meaningless decorations. Every object has a story, a use, a reason to be there. They treat their space almost like a living thing, giving it air to breathe. You can sense their discipline in the way furniture aligns with walls, how shelves hold only what's needed, nothing extra. It's not forced minimalism like many modern trends. It's lived minimalism, honest, rooted in generations of quiet living. And this is the foundation of their organized world. 2. Decluttering with purpose. Clutter doesn't creep up on the Amish the way it does for most of us. Why? Because they don't let it. They make deliberate choices before something ever enters their home. They ask, do we need this? Will it last? Does it belong? If not, it doesn't come in. Simple, direct. Over time, this habit becomes almost instinctive. When things break, they're repaired if possible. If not, they're removed. No, maybe later piles. No sentimental hoarding of broken gadgets. It's not cold-hearted. It's clear-minded. Their decluttering isn't a one-time event like a weekend garage cleanout. It's woven into daily life. Quiet, ongoing, almost invisible. But that's the beauty of it. Because when clutter never gets the chance to build, peace stays. 3. Multifunctional furniture choices. Amish furniture tells stories. A heavy oak chest by the window isn't just a chest. It's a seat, a storage box, sometimes even a makeshift table when guests arrive unexpectedly. Each piece works hard. No lazy furniture here. Instead of crowding rooms with endless items, they pick strong, purposeful ones. A single handcrafted cabinet can hold dishes, linens, and a few cherished keepsakes. A long dining table might turn into a sewing station in the evening. This way, spaces stay open, clean, breathing. It's not about having less furniture just for the aesthetic. It's about making each item earn its keep. You won't find stacks of plastic containers or trendy storage hacks lying around. Just timeless wood and smart thinking. 4. A place for everything. This one's powerful. Every single object has its spot. Always. A broom leans in the same corner after every use. Knives return to the same drawer. Aprons hang on the same peg. There's no random tossing of things on countertops. No, I'll deal with it later chaos. It's a rhythm they live by. When you always know where things belong, cleaning becomes almost automatic. There's no frantic searching for lost scissors or keys. And children grow up learning this system too. It becomes natural, like muscle memory. This habit may sound strict, but it's actually freeing. Because when the physical world stays in order, the mind stays lighter too. 5. Daily cleaning routines. Cleaning for them isn't some dramatic once-a-month event. It's a quiet daily ritual. Floors get swept, tables wiped, beds made, every single day. Tasks aren't delayed. A spill gets cleaned now, not later. Dishes are washed right after meals, not piled in the sink overnight. It's not rushed. It's steady, predictable, almost like a heartbeat in the house. Everyone joins in, too. Kids, parents, elders. No one stand aside. When cleaning becomes part of the rhythm, disorder never builds. They don't fear mess because mess doesn't get the chance to grow claws. It's a kind of discipline that feels soft, not harsh. It keeps their homes quietly shining. 6. Seasonal rotation of items. They don't keep everything out at once. That's another smart trick. Winter blankets vanish when summer arrives. Lighter fabrics take their place. Heavy coats get packed neatly, labeled, stored. Seasonal decorations follow the same pattern. Nothing sits around useless. This rotation gives their homes a fresh feeling with each season. It's like a natural reset. Closets aren't stuffed with last winter's clothes and summer outfits crammed together. No, everything breathes. By rotating their belongings, they see clearly what they own. They avoid duplicates. They prevent clutter from sneaking in disguised as just-in-case items. It's efficient, it's clean, and honestly, it makes sense. 7. Handmade and long-lasting tools. They don't rely on flimsy gadgets. An Amish broom might last a decade. A cast-iron pan, maybe 2 generations. When you choose durable, handmade tools, you don't drown in broken junk. There are no tangled piles of cheap plastic in drawers. No half-working devices collecting dust. Each tool has weight, history, purpose, and when something lasts long, you learn to care for it. You clean it, store it properly, respect it. This naturally leads to less clutter because you simply need less. It's the opposite of disposable culture. It's deliberate, lasting, almost poetic. 8. Community sharing and borrowing. Here's a beautiful part many don't see. The Amish don't hoard everything individually. They share. Need a specialized machine? Borrow it from a neighbor. Need a heavy-duty tool used once a year? Someone nearby has it. This community system keeps individual homes lighter. You don't need to own everything to live well. And because everyone respects each other's belongings, things are returned, cared for, kept in shape. It builds trust, reduces waste, cuts clutter. Imagine if modern neighborhoods did the same. Garages would breathe again. Closets wouldn't overflow with rarely used tools. 9. Respect for time and tasks. They don't push tasks into some distant future. If something needs doing, it's done. Right then, right there, there's a respect for the present moment, for the task at hand. It's not rushed, but it's focused. This simple discipline keeps chores from stacking up into mountains. A small mess never becomes a big one. A 5-minute task doesn't grow into a weekend nightmare. Their homes reflect this steady rhythm. Clean surfaces, clear paths, quiet energy. It's not magic. It's just respect for work, for time, for life itself. 10. Living with intention, not impulse. At the heart of it all lies intention. They don't buy randomly. They don't chase after every new thing. There's thought behind every decision. Slow thought, careful. If it doesn't serve a purpose, if it doesn't hold meaning, it stays out. Their homes aren't museums. They're living spaces built for real life, for function, for peace. When every choice is intentional, organization happens naturally. Clutter has no room to sneak in because it was never invited. This is the real secret. Not fancy hacks, not expensive storage, just living with clear eyes and steady hands. It's not about chasing perfection. It's about finding peace in your space. The Amish have mastered this through small, steady habits that shape their everyday lives. And the truth is, you can bring this same calm into your home. Start small, one habit at a time. Slowly, your space transforms. Quietly, powerfully. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more timeless living tips. This is Rustic Pantry, where simple living meets lasting beauty. See you in the next one.